Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to explain here number system. Okay, so now your first chapter name is what? Number. Okay, in this chapter different types of number systems are given. So first question here, what is the number system? Okay, so now pay attention here. So number system is what? It is a way of representing numbers. Way of representing numbers. Each number system has fixed number of digits. Okay, each number system has fixed number of digits. It is known as base of number system. Means what? Suppose in any number system, suppose 5 digits. So what will be the base of that number system? 5. So number of digits, which one is in any number system, that is called base. So you can take the example here. For example, suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many total digits in this one? Look here, count here, 0, 1, 2. So how many this one? This one is total 10. So what will be the base of this number system? 10. Okay. So now types of the number system. So types of the number system is what? How many types of number system given in your syllabus, or how many types of the number systems? First one decimal, second one binary, third one octal, fourth one hexadecimal. Okay. So now first one, take the first one here, decimal number system. Its name indicating here, my dear, you can see here deci, name is indicating here. Decimal means what? Its name indicating decing, it means 10. Deci means what? 10. In this number system, there are total 10 symbols. 10 symbols or 10 digits are possible. Okay. So that's why it is called decimal number system. Its base means what? How many digits or how many symbols are present in this number system is 10. Okay, because how many numbers in this number system? Total 10. That's why its base is what? 10. So be careful with this one. Its symbols are, so how many symbols are in this one? So look here, the symbols of the decimal number systems. Look here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total how many? Total 10. Okay, 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means what? Total 10. Any decimal number will be the combination of these digits. Suppose any decimal number you are making, so that will be the combination of these digits. Okay, these digits you can see here. Suppose 5 to 3, it is a one decimal number system. Why? Because it is a combination of 5, 2 and 3. So 5 is a number, it is in decimal number system, then 2 is also and 3 is also. So means what? 5 to 3 is what? It's a decimal number system. What is the meaning of this 10? This one is representing base. Base means what? If 5 to 3 is what? Decimal number system. Okay. So same thing here, you can see the second example, 2, 5, 25. This is also a decimal number system. Okay, because it is a combination of these numbers. Okay, or its base is also showing 10. So this is the reason this one is a decimal number system. Other example you can see here, 2 is also decimal number system, because this number, this one is here, 2 is here, 2 and base is 10. Same thing here, this one. So now come on the next number system. What is the name of this one? Binary number system. Binary, all you are familiar with this one. Binary means 2. Binary means 2. You see here, binary means 2. So this number system has 2 digits. My dear, binary means 2. That's why this number system has 2 digits. its base is what? 2. Why its base is 2? Because this number system has only 2 digits. Okay. So now come on the next page. So symbols or digits of binary number system 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So my dear, कोई भी binary numbers बनेगा 0 और 1 के combination से. Please pay attention. Look here, 1 1 0. Okay, this one is a binary number system because here is given the base of binary. Base of binary is what? 2. So this 2 is representing this one is a binary number system. Suppose in binary you are taking 1 2 1 0. This one is not a binary system. What is why? Because 2 is here or 2 is not present in binary. Okay, so that's why this one is not binary. Clear? So now move on the next example. 1 1 is also a binary. 0 1, this one is binary. This one is also binary. So now come move on the next number system. Name is what? Octal number system. A number in octal system is presented with base 8. Octal number system का base क्या होगा? 8. Okay. In this there are 8 symbols because that's why it is octal. So which numbers are in this one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. If numbers give, if any number is a combination of only 0 to 7, that will be the octal number. Okay. So how will you find out? Suppose 4 5 is given here. Its base is given here 8. So this is what? This one is what? Octal. Suppose 4 5 is given. 4 5 is also possible decimal. Again ऐसे दिया हुआ है. So now this time 4 5 is what? Decimal. But when 4 5 is written in this form, this one is called octal. With base, base is given here 8. So this is a way to find out which number system is given. Same thing here, 29. 29 you see here. I suppose 29 of base is 8. This one is not octal because 9 is not present in this list. Clear? So this one is not octal. 32 is octal possibly. But 32 and base 10 is written, so this one is called decimal, or here it is called octal. So now move on the next example. 1 0 if base written 8, so octal. Or if 1 0 and base is 2, this is a binary. So please pay attention with this one. So now last number system is our hexadecimal. Hexa means what? 6. Please pay attention. Hexa means 6 and decimal means 10. So that's why total how many? 16. So this number system represents 16 symbols or digits. Okay, or its base is what? 16. So that's why it is called hexadecimal number system. So how many symbols are here? Find out here. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So total how many? 16. So that's why it is called hexadecimal. My dear students, please pay attention. Till 9 so okay, but when you will start 10, so 10 you will represent with alphabet A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 F. Okay, so now you can see here, suppose how will you represent it here? 12 base is given here 16, so this is what? Hexadecimal. But 12 with 10, this is called decimal. 12 with base 8, this is called octal. But here 12 with 16, this is called hexadecimal. This one is another example of this one. This one is hexadecimal. But my dear, suppose here you can see, suppose 194210. So this one is representing 194210. But suppose you want to this one 10 is showing 10, 10 is showing what? 10. But if you want to show this way 1942A, so here is not 10, here is what? 10. So same thing is here. Suppose this number is given here, so this one is a possible meanings 1 2 1 1 1 3, but one possibility is or here 12. When you write a C means what? 12. But when you are written in this form, this one is called only 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3. But when you will write C, B, D, so this is 12, 11, D, and base is what? 16. So this is the number system. You write in your copy, try to understand. If any doubt, you can call me. Okay, best of luck. God bless you.